To make a functional UI application, we need to create an entity data model, OData service, and bind the OData service to the application. This would easily take an experienced developer around 2 to 3 days. Is there any value add in spending so much of time and effort to create a simple application? This is the thought that made us think about automating the process of creating UI application which uses OData from an entity data model. With our tool, it is possible to generate a UI application within few hours. For the demo, we will take a scenario, employee master data. Entity data model consists of two entities, employee master, which is the parent table, and address, which is the child table. They are connected to each other using an association. Using this idiom, we will create the UI application where you can view the employee details and create new records.
The corresponding DB table is already existing with the same entity name, and the report would use this DB table to generate the OData service.
We will execute an ABAP report to generate the UI application. Here, first we will upload the idiom file link. The second is the style option. This is an optional step. There are different style options available like Fiori master template, Fiori transactional template, or if there's any other style sheet, we can upload that. By default, it will select the standard SAP UI5 style. The third step is to select the actions which we require in our OData service. The standard actions are provided as create, retrieve, update, and display. The final step The final step is to select our output location where the UI application zip file will be created, and also the transport request and the package. For our demo, we will use a local package. Once this report is executed, this will generate the OData services and a UI application zip file.
Let's check whether our OData service is created. So I am in the maintain service IMG view. So this is the name of the employee service which got created. So let's see whether it is already there. Yes, it is there. And as you can see, the data provider class is also created. The model is created. Everything looks correct from here. Now let us check how the service is working. Okay, now let me just see the metadata. The metadata seems to be fine. You have two entities, employee and address, and the employee entity has employee ID as the key field, address entity has address ID as the key field, and you have all the fields mentioned in the idiom. It's coming over here, and the association which we maintained is also here. So this looks okay to me. So now let me check the methods whether I am able to retrieve data. Okay, employee services. I can see some records. Yes, I can see. Dev Patel, I can see. Sulakshana, I can see their date of birth, I can see their gender. Okay, the data is also existing in the DB and it is fetched by the OData service. Now let us see the UI app which got generated. This is the app which got generated and this is the main screen. If you remember, we hadn't selected any Fiori style sheet, we set others when we generated using the wizard. So here the app doesn't have any Fiori style sheets attached. So let us check. This is the same data which you saw in the OData. Okay, so this is a master view and this is the details view. So for each employee, the address is displayed here. And the action which we had selected is the capability to insert new records. So there is a new button which is also provided. So this hardly took us half an hour to generate from the EDM to the UI app.
Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. We bring this tool to help you achieve simplicity. Thank you.